we're doing this in opposite direction, which I think is the easier version of this, because you could do the reversal in this is same direction, split time. I want to demonstrate it so that you can see it. So this is in same direction. I could do the reversal here as well, but I think it's a lot harder to do because you have one arm in front, one arm in back, or one arm on top and one arm in bottom, because the arms are at a 180 degree distance no matter where you do the reversal, top, bottom, or sides. Whereas with the other version in opposite direction, you could do the reversal at the bottom, which I think is a little bit easier to do when you're starting out because they both reverse at the same time in the same location. This is inspin, this is antispin, this is inspin, this is antispin. So it might be interesting to work on the reversal drill, where the reversal is where you're changing the direction of your arm. So in that particular one, the left was an overhand, and the inspin, your arm is going back first. So if we just do let's just do the left arm first. We go bottom, back, top, front, bottom, and then from here, reverse the direction of the arm. So you go front, top, back, bottom, and anti-spin, right? So it's in spin, you go back, top, front, bottom, then front, top, back, bottom, and back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom. Okay, so bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front. Okay, starting from the bottom, let's do the inspin first. Left hand, overhand, just the left hand. And we're gonna go bottom, back, open the hip, top, front, bottom, then anti-spin, front, top, back, bottom. So that would be one cycle with a reversal in it, where you reversed going this way to going the other way with your arm. The poi doesn't change direction, just the direction of the arm changes. Yes, so this is why I call it a reversal, because you're literally going like this with the arm and then like this with the arm. So if you want to just do that motion for a second so you can feel it, that might be helpful. Start with your hand down at the side, go over the top starting from the back, then come like you're bowling under the front, and over the top from the back, and bowl from the front, and then from the back, and then from the front, and then from the back, and then from the front one more time, from the back, and then from the front. So all you do is just change the direction of your arm. Sounds easy enough. Okay, so bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom. Okay, let's do 10 sets. So we'll start here. 5, 6, 7, and bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 3, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 4, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 5, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 6, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 7, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 8, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, 9, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, and last one, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom. Okay, so then the arms for this one, if you just do the arm, you're in underhand first, so you go forward, and then you go back, top, front, bottom, then front, top, back, bottom, then back, top, front, bottom. You bowl forward, and then you swing back over the top. You bowl forward, and you swing back over the top, and you bowl forward, and you swing back over the top. And last set, bowl forward, and swing back over the top. Okay, now for this one, we're starting in underhand. So let's do the inspin first. We'll go bottom, front, top, back, bottom. Then you reverse so that you go bottom, back, top, front, bottom. And then bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 4, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 5, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 6, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 7, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 8, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 9, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, 10, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, down. So this version with the left hand and overhand and the right hand and underhand. For anti-spin, let's just do the placement drills first with both hands. So you're in same time for this movement. They're both hitting the bottom at the same time. Get that nice and tight. Now the next step is you're going to take your right hand and move it to the back, the left hand to the front, making sure that you open your hip to the right. Then you're going to bring both arms up, and this is that really difficult position to hold, but remember, when you're in the flower, you're not really going to have to hold it. So it may be hard on its own, but it won't be part of the flower. Then you move to the right in the front, left in the back, and you're still in the same time ideally, and then you're going to bring them both down. Now I want to do this where we do the 2 position drill where we go from front to back and then front to back. So let's start with left is in front, right is in back. We're in same time. And then what we're going to do is go up and over and switch positions so your right's in front and the left is in back. Then you're going to go down and back so that your left is in front and your right is in back. Then up and over and hold, 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 and down and back and hold, 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 and up and over, reset, and then down and back, and then reset, and up and over, and reset, and down and back, and reset, up and over, reset, down and back, reset, up and over, reset, down and back, and up and over, hold, and down and back. Get your timing solid again. Up and over, check your positioning, down and back, make sure your hips are open, up and over, keep breathing, down and back, strong core, up and over, and down and back, and then up and over, and bring it down. Okay, your down is a little wimpy, so you're kind of doing it like this, where you're like, instead of, this would be a good down where you jump it down. Like you're really trying to pop it down. Just like you're popping it up, pop it down, pop it up, pop it down. So you really want to get down to here. And it might be useful to think about the following. When you're starting with your hands up here a little bit. Start with them down here, like a full extension down at your side. And in fact, you shouldn't see my far hand. It should be covered by my body. Right? Because when you're going through this, if I went through all 4 positions just one time, it would be bump, 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 bump back to here. And you're not really ever here, which I think is how you were starting before. So it might be useful to just get used to this. And then also get used to this in same time. Same time, same time, same time, same time. Yes. And then try and move through all 4 positions. Let's see what happens when you try it. But get back to same time first. And then you'll move left, front, right, back, then up and over, switch, and down. Okay, now I want you to try and just go through all 4 positions connected like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 reps with the left hand. So 5, 6, 7, and bottom, front, top, back. 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 2 more. And last one, front, top, back, down. Let's do the right hand. So 5, 6, 7, and bottom, back, top, front, 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 bottom, back, top, front. 2 more. And last one. Now, let's try putting it together. I'm just trying to go one time around. Let me demonstrate it for you. You're in same time. The left will go to the front, right back, both up, left back, right front, both down. Left front, right back, both up, left back, right front, both down.